Manananggal, a true story. When her lolo died, she went back to Catanduanes. Her lolo's wake is far from their house. It was exactly 11 in the evening when her aunt asked her to get some food in her lolo's house. She asked some assistance with her cousin. As they went back home, they heard an unfamiliar voice. It sounds like a big bird. With their curiosity, they followed the sound. Her cousin says it is near the rice field. They were extremely shocked when they saw a woman who has an unpleasant odor with the wings like a big bird. She can't explain what she saw. She can't even shout. The manananggal look at them. When she tries to fly, they heard the run in my lolo's house. She can't talk for hours. She explained it to her lola, and her lola says it is real. She asked her lola who is she, but she didn't talk. The next day, they went back to her lolo's wake. My friend saw her, and when she tried to talk to her, she would leave. The next thing she knew, while they are eating their breakfast, she began to choke. She doesn't know what was happening to her. She was beside her, and then she touched her back, and then she says, "Be careful." She thought manananggal are stories from the magazine, but when she saw it, she is extremely believed that they are real.